In this instructional video, we will demonstrate the process of checking mentions on Instagram. To begin, launch the Instagram application on your mobile device and ensure that you are successfully logged in. Once you have accessed the Instagram home screen, locate the inbox icon situated in the upper right corner, represented by a messenger icon. Proceed by tapping on it. You will now be directed to your Instagram inbox, where you can view all your Instagram chats and conversations. Within this section, you will be able to identify the mention message sent by the user who mentioned you. Simply tap on that specific conversation. This action will open the chat thread between you and the individual who mentioned you. Within this chat, you will find the mentioned message. To view the mention, simply tap on it. We appreciate your attention and engagement with our content. If you have found this tutorial beneficial, kindly consider providing a positive evaluation by giving it a thumbs up.